Hey baddies, sorry if you hear a little bit of noise. My sister's right here. She woke up just when I was about to do the intro, so here's the intro. So today I'll be bringing you an everyday look. If you're in a hurry, this is the perfect look. It's a fast look, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below.
Right around it.
Can you do that again?
So we're gonna start with primer, and the primer we'll be using is the No Problem Prime Essence by Touch and Soul. This is a really good everyday primer just because it has a really liquidy and hydrating formula. One thing I love to do is mixing foundations, and today I'll be mixing the NARS Tinted Moisturizer and L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm gonna mix these two. I like this one, the Tinted Moisturizer by NARS, because it has light coverage but it has SPF in it. It has 30 SPF, so it has a really good formula. And this one for a little more coverage. As you guys can see, it's just really light coverage. It covers enough so you won't be able to see my full redness of scars and all this stuff, but you can still like have smooth skin, Now I'm gonna be using the Infallible Full Wear concealer in the color Cashmere. So now that I blended my concealer, I'm gonna be using the Dermablend setting loose powder, the translucent one, to be setting my under eye and the rest of my face. I actually changed my mind, and I'm gonna be using the Revlon Color Stay powder to set the rest of my face. Now that we're done with the face makeup, I'm going to do a little bit of eyeshadow, not too much, just because this is an everyday look. You don't want to look dramatic. So I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia, and I'm going to be using the color Burnt Orange. And that's it for eyeshadow. We're not gonna put too much because we want soft glam, and we're gonna put a little bit of drama lashes, so we don't want too much eyeshadow. Now we're gonna set the face, and we're gonna use my favorite Mario Badescu facial spray to set the rest of my face. And why not, just because I haven't really been testing this one, I'm gonna be using the Skin NCO Aqua Illuminate Refreshing Mist that I got on my Boxy Charm. So let's put some on. So we're gonna continue with the face, and I'm gonna be using the Tarte's Pro Glow palette to do my bronzer. I'm gonna be using this shade. It's the shimmer one. Why not? Let's do a shimmer bronzer. I'm gonna use my Beat Up bronzer brush by Morphe, the M527. Now for blush, I'm gonna be using the La Mar Cosmetics blush trio. This is a Fair to Light. I love this palette so much for summer. It has pretty shades, and I'm gonna be using, I think, this one. Yeah, I'm gonna be using that one. I'm gonna get my blush brush by Luxie. This is a 514. Sometimes I just don't apply highlight and put my lashes and go, but today we're gonna apply highlight, because we can't go out without glowing. And I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Loose Highlighter. So face makeup, it's done. So now we're gonna put on some eyelashes. So I'm going to be using Batty Wig lashes in the style Awake. So now that I'm done with the eyelashes, I just need mascara and lippy. So I'm gonna be using 2 lip glosses. First, I'm gonna be using the Dominic Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss, and then I'm going to be applying a lip gloss topper. This is a lip topper by Makeup Revolution. It's a glitter topper, so I'm just gonna put a little bit because it has a lot of glitter. And I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara by L'Oreal, you know, my fab. You got to be fucking kidding me. No. So I tried fixing the mascara, but I couldn't. It still looks like crap. So let's kind of ignore that. But yeah, ladies, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment or something. So yeah, bye baddies.